If your home health shelf is where hyped gadgets go to die, keep this simple. The best blood pressure monitor setup is 3 home picks, no add-ons. Quick answer: Greater Goods Bluetooth is the shared household default, Greater Goods Kit is the phone-free route, and Omron Evolv is the compact all-in-one cuff. No monitor fits every routine. Choose by cuff fit, screen size, tracking, and power. For most homes, I'd start with the Greater Goods Bluetooth blood pressure monitor. Buy it if 2 people might share one device, or you want readings kept on the monitor and in an app. The payoff is less clerical work, a readable tabletop screen, averages, app syncing, and broader cuff sizing keep the routine from feeling fussy. The app isn't required, but it's where tracking feels most organized. The catch is upkeep, extra cuffs aren't sold separately, and unplugging it without working batteries means resetting date and time. Skip it if you want the lowest cost, phone-free setup. If you want a monitor that stays off your phone, go with the Greater Goods Blood Pressure Monitor Kit. It's a simple tabletop path, readable, straightforward, and fine if you're happy writing readings down or entering them yourself. But simplicity has a ceiling. You get the standard cuff only, no wireless transfer, no automatic averages, and history tracking becomes your job. Starting a reading also takes a bit more button work. Skip it if you need a larger cuff, phone sync, or automatic averaging. For the smallest feeling setup, the Omron Evolv is the all-in-one cuff. Buy it if one main user wants a compact, cordless monitor and doesn't mind using the app for history. It removes the separate tabletop box and hose, so there's less gear to store. The trade-off is visibility. The display sits on the cuff, the numbers are smaller, and only the latest reading shows on the device. Older readings live in the app. Skip it if you want a big screen, frequent sharing, plug-in power, or a more forgiving cuff fit. Quick split: most households, especially shared ones, start with the Greater Goods Bluetooth. Phone-free and manual tracking, Greater Goods Blood Pressure Monitor Kit. Compact, cordless, one-person routine, Omron Evolv. No extra tools here, the setup choice is really screen, cuff, tracking, and power. Before you buy, check your arm against the cuff size, decide whether app history is useful or annoying, and think about where it plugs in or lives. If someone else will use it, shared storage matters. If you hate manual logs, don't buy a manual log setup. If you're unsure, start with the Greater Goods Bluetooth because it handles shared use and app organization with the least fuss. Go Greater Goods Kit if you want phone-free manual tracking. Go Omron Evolv if compact matters more than screen size. Links are in the description. Shelf care. The edit your shelf actually needs. Subscribe for the next routine.